Let's determine a quadratic function when given just its zeros and one point that it passes through. We want to find the quadratic function which has zeros at 5 and -2. We also know that it passes through the point 6, -56. What can this quadratic function possibly be? To figure this out, remember that a quadratic function in factored form is given by the following. f of x equals a times x minus r times x minus s, with r and s representing the zeros. The first step is to replace r and s with the given zeros of 5 and -2. Now, to determine the entire function, let's solve for a. We can use the given point 6, -56 as a point that the parabola passes through to replace x with 6 and fx with -56. The solution is -7 equals a. Now that a is known, we can substitute its value into the factored form of the quadratic function. In factored form, the function is f of x equals -7 times the quantity x minus 5 times the quantity x plus 2. However, what is this in standard form? To determine the function's standard form, multiply all of its factors together. This means that the quadratic function whose zeros are 5 and -2 and passes through the point 6, -56 is f of x equals -7x squared plus 21 times x plus 70. To solve for any quadratic function, when given its zeros and a point, always begin with substituting in the zero values for r and s. Then substitute the values of the given point for a and f of x.